In this video, I'm going to show you how to send money from Cash App to your Robinhood account. The process is quick and easy, so just follow along step by step. The way this works is by sending Bitcoin from Cash App directly into your Robinhood crypto wallet. To start, open the Robinhood app on your phone and go to the search bar at the bottom. Type in Bitcoin and select it from the list of assets. On the Bitcoin detail page, you'll see the price chart. Scroll down and look for the section with wallet options. Tap the small QR code icon next to your balance. This will display your unique Robinhood Bitcoin wallet address. You can either scan the QR code or simply tap copy address at the bottom of the screen, which I recommend so you don't make any mistakes. Now switch over to Cash App. On the home screen, tap the Bitcoin section. Here, choose Send Bitcoin. Enter the amount of Bitcoin you'd like to transfer. Keep in mind that you can only send what you already own in Cash App. After entering the amount, paste the Robinhood wallet address that you just copied. Double check that the address matches exactly, because crypto transfers cannot be reversed once they're sent. Once everything looks good, confirm the transaction. Cash App will process the withdrawal, and within a short while, your Bitcoin will appear in your Robinhood account. From there, you can hold it, trade it, or sell it as you normally would. And that's it. That's how you transfer Bitcoin from Cash App to Robinhood. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.